guys, kakaiba to, kakaiba. So, yung motor noise niya malakas din, no? Yung VF3 nandito.
Puti na hindi ko na-drive yung VF3 before ito eh. I'll be honest. Madami nagbubuli, like every day. if I were gonna get the next car,
EV ulit.
EV talaga eh.
Nung kinuha ko yung surprise yan.
Okay.
Surprise.
Okay. So for example, ito, yung una kong upgrade is itong mga takip.
Yan.
So ito yung original niya.
Para dito talaga yan.
Ayan. Kita nyo parang Lego.
Parang Lego.
Lego talaga siya.
Ayun guys, so good morning. Papunta tayo ngayon sa Ortigas. I-meet natin yung kaibigan natin si Sir Paul Espino from Test Drive PH. So check natin guys yung kanyang best tune pony. So guys, tara, good morning. Samahan niyo ako. So excited tayo makita yung best tune pony ni Sir Paul. Kakaiba. So, mas maliit pa siya sa VF3 tapos kakaiba itsura niya. Kaya excited tayong makita to, ma-feature to dito sa channel natin. And maraming salamat Sir Paul. Okay guys, so dito tayo ngayon sa Technopoint. Kasama natin si Sir Paul, Test Drive PH. Kasama natin sa Vietnam.
Hello.
Ayan guys, so in-explain niya about this car. So, naka best tune pony tayo. So yung personal car ni Sir Paul. So EV siya na sobrang cute. So mamaya guys, i-videohan natin yung labas nito. So guys, ikwento lang natin kasi si Sir Paul, ano siya, this is his first EV. Supposedly, I think dapat VF3 ang ano niya.
Yan yung una,
yung kinikwento ni Sir Paul. Yeah. Pero nandito na yung best tune and so far he's enjoying the car. Marami na rin siya napuntahan dito and he's gone to far places such as Pampanga. Sir Paul, baka gusto niyo mo ikwento bakit?
Yeah, so there was a dealership Omni. Meron may corporate event doon. Siyempre chinek yung range and everything. So masyadong sakto. So range nito guys. So range nito is 170.
Okay.
The total sort of back and forth from my house of QC to that was 160. So 10 kilometers na lang. That's a bit medyo alangan yun. So I actually have a video of it which I'll probably be posting or next month kasi it's a whole series for me. So ayun. So ang challenges na for example for this is one of the reasons I bought this. Well, una impression niya kasi this is the least expensive na EV.
How much nito Sir Paul?
You could buy it for 488. 488 in cash if you want. 588 if it's through bank or if financing mo. And then yung time na yun kasi may mga discount naman sila eh. May mga additional discount like 20, 30,000. So yun, after I bought it, I actually reviewed it for Best Tune like January 2025 eh, or was it December 2024 eh. So ganun din. I just found it cute nung una. It was pretty funny kasi I really like cars na may personality.
Tama.
Yung para yung
may character siya.
Yung mga for cars like yung Honda Jazz, tapos yung Dilaw pa, tapos yung Coolray, kulay blue. So gusto ko talaga may personality. Dapat nag-stand out. Ito, it's a toy. It looks like a toy from the outside. I like that, So yun pinatest sa ni Best Tune. And ayan, it's a chill car. It drives like a golf cart. It drives like parang if you drove or if you ever driven yung mga, yung size niya para siyang, alam mo yung mga machines sa sa mga machines lang sa arcade.
Mm.
Parang siyang ganun eh. Yung,
yeah.
yung mga plastic niya parang ganun eh. Hard plastics talaga siya eh. So,
It gets the job done, eh. No?
pero yeah, for sure. So, yun yung ni-review ko siya. Yeah, I immediately fell in love with it kasi it's a
It's a proper car.
it's a real car. Like, for example,
Naman siya.
kasi for example, ako yan, no? I'm big.
Yeah,
So, ayan, kasya naman kami ni Paul. Headroom
laki
is
ng
great.
headroom nga eh.
Yung legroom is legit. And then,
May upuan pa sa likod.
may upuan pa sa likod. Ang dami kong gamit doon, no? You can sit 2 people doon sa back. So, this is officially...
May table pa siya.
May table pa.
Table pa.
Yan, parang ginagawa ni Paul, may shoot siya. Magdadala siyang gamit sa likod. Ganun din, pwede rin to. Tapos sabay...
Lamig na aircon.
Ayun, malamig yan
Guys,
to.
ang lamig na aircon din, no?
So, 170 kilometers yung range niya.
Marami na yan.
Okay na yun. And then, ang primary use kasi nito is for my son. So, I work at home and then I travel. Hatid sundo ko yung anak ko. Siguro, round trip nun mga 30 kilometers per every day for,
Back and forth.
back and forth na. Mahaba na siya. Tapos sabay,
Comfortable ka naman.
yeah, super comfortable. Tapos
Sa
sabay,
loob.
it's, when you drive this small, kumpara dun sa mga, kasi may mga na-drive na tayo na, for example ako I have that access na, there's a new car, minsan hindi pa nila-launch. Kaming media, binibigyan kami ng access before pa siya i-launch. So, definitely we attract attention. This one is probably the most this is the most na
I think
I've driven yung sports cars and everything. Pero this one,
got more attention.
It got way, really.
Sports cars.
Oh, then, and then, yeah, it's fun. It's fun to drive just within the, within its limits. Just don't, so for example,
Top speed ba nito? Top speed.
So this can go up to 100 kilometers.
Oh, wow.
100 siya. Pero for me, katulad ng sinabi ko sa review, siguro mas safe mga under 80. Kasi mga galon. Kasi so, basta sa pag city lang, honestly, mga sweet spot nito is mga sa 50 to 70.
Highway yan, highway.
Oh, 50, I mean, siguro city lang. Yung mga konting EDSA, konting C5, yan, 50, 70 yan. It's good. Mga 80,
ano na, medyo ka.
kapag kapag biglang may lubak, ma-unsettle talaga siya.
Ramdam mo siya dito?
Oo, ramdam mo talaga. Hindi lang sa, parang, medyo, it's a bit,
aalog-alog din.
kasi sobrang light din ng steering feel.
Guys, yung steering wheel niya.
Sobrang gaan. So, parang, so,
pag medyo matulin na.
kapag matulin na. So, I wouldn't recommend it. Pero I've tried 100, basta expressway, it's fine. Stable naman. Tapos, pag may dumadaan na bus, basta hindi siya sobrang bilis, okay naman. Okay naman. Basta, tsaka ganun din kapag push this to 100 kilometers per hour. Yung range mo din, mas babaksak eh. So, you don't want that eh. You just want 80 lang is. Ako ginagawa ko kapag, let's say, NLEX or SLEX, mga under 80, yun na yung sweet spot niya na it doesn't,
So, right lane ka lagi.
Oo, yun na. Kumbaga, kaya nga advantage din makulay. Kasi you have to, kitang-kita ka.
Tama rin naman.
Definitely, yung experience ko is it's a mix of, madami nagbubuli, like every day. pag kahit papasok.
Talaga?
May mga nagbubuli talaga, mga jeep, mga motor. Pero same lang din ang percentage naman is yung natutuwa.
Yeah.
Yung pinapadaan ka. Pinapadaan ka lang.
Hinahayaan ka na lang.
Hinahayaan ka lang. Tapos,
anong brand yun?
may mga lumalapit. Mostly matanda eh. Mostly matanda eh. Parang, kasi syempre applicable sa kanila eh. Na parang, pwede kong pagdating sundo ko sa, sa apo ko. Or sa mismo, pamalengke ko. So, yeah, honestly, so we have 2 other cars. Majority, everyday, ito na lang ginagamit namin. Katulad nung sinabi mo sa akin na once nakuha ko na ito yung palaging ginagamit. And, yeah, for everyday.
Totoo yan eh, no?
Yeah,
Being practical ka lang naman eh.
Absolutely, kasi ang laking ang sakit sa gasolina eh. Like, kapag bibili ka na eh. Actually ngayon, mas nainis na nga ako magpagas eh.
Ayun, the same feeling.
Nakaka-frustrate na, I have
Ito
to
na
buy.
lang magagasolina.
Para why do you have to, Kasi for example, for me, siguro my first few months, 1,000 pesos lang eh.
Ito?
For 1,000 lang additional dun sa gas. Sa kuryente.
1 month.
For a month, yeah.
Layo. Kung gasolina.
1,000. Kung gasolina, yung mga 8,000, 10,000 yung mga ganun.
Walang kalaban-laban?
Ang laking difference for sure. Tapos, siyempre yung many times na, for example, meron kaming corporate events. Siyempre, daming mga sasakyan, daming nakapark. Ako, I can park anywhere. Like, here, there's a space. I could just put it there. Tapos, madami natatawa nila para doon ka naman po nasa bandang harap ka, tapos it's
kasha ka pa.
it makes you it's a mixture, it's really a mixture of may mga many times na even on maybe a weekly basis na try to do something yung parang situations na ang liit lang yung kasha ba doon, nagkasha ako doon. Like for example, isang araw nasa City Hall ako. Siyempre, pag City Hall, daming siksikan doon. Pero ako may area lang doon na maliit. So,
kasha ang
kasha ka ba? Tapos biglang may papaligid sa'yo. Akala mo hinuli ka. Yung pala, natutuwa lang.
Anong ito?
There's if I had a video, how many times na may mga lumapit, may nagtatawanan, pati mostly mga bata rin na natatawag, tinuturo. Parang cute, parang ganun. Tapos, my wife and I, this is our date car eh.
Talaga?
Mas trip namin to eh. Dahil it's just, lang difference talaga nung sa EV. Like before, everybody's worrying about yung range anxiety.
Not anymore. As long as you use the car daily, malalaman mo na matatansya mo na siya eh.
Kaya you get frustrated na nga when you go to the gas station. Pero, what's the point of this?
Actually, guys, ako to be honest, the only time I go back to the gas station, kung mag-CR ako, or between sa, di ba? Yun na lang eh. Actually, yun na lang, tsaka yung sa convenience store nila. Pero other than that, wala na. Hindi mo na siya mamamiss magpagasolina. So, I guess Sir Paul had the same feeling. After ilang kilometers ka na? 2.5
now.
2.5. So, malaki na ng tipid mo na, Sir Paul.
Tapos, ano ba, sa weekend naman, I take this to
far places? Or?
I take this to, di ba, ikaw sa Morong ka. Ako sa Tanay. Kabilang taon lang.
Wait, after pa ng Morong?
After, Baras, di ba? Tapos Tanay proper.
Wait, kaya?
Papunta, one way? Oo naman.
Ilang percent? Kasi
kunti na lang yun, galing, di ba, Morong ka?
Siguro 20 kilometers pa siguro yun.
Hindi, kunti na lang. Malapit na yun.
Talaga?
Malapit na yun. Di ba doon ka sa nakita ko yung dinadaanan mo, dito ka sa kaliwa ba yung basta sa mga town proper. Doon ka sa kaliwa, di ba?
Kayo, either way, pwede naman pumunta tayo.
Alam mo yung before Jollibee? Before pa nun.
Kakaliwa na yun eh.
Before nun. So, yun. Tapos, minsan dinadaan ko, ilang beses ko dinadaan galing QC Marilac eh.
Ito.
Kaya niya rin dun. Basta, lang, baka pag pabalik ka lang, huwag mo na i-push masyado na. Magre-read naman tsaka, na-try ko na rin yung mga, like one time,
twisties
madami na, yung mga gano'n yun, medyo parang, I'm not gonna do that again. That was really scary. Tapos
talaga, nahirit mo na pala to sa
So, it's been, sabi ko na nga din na, halimbawa, if I were gonna get the next car,
EV ulit.
EV talaga eh. There's no unless it's a sports car na it has to be ice and everything. Pero if it's someone with the family, EV lang.
EV na.
I don't see the point of, I mean, I think hybrid is a good like middle ground. If you have like, if it's your only car,
true.
Pero if you're fortunate enough to have more than one car, EV, hands down.
EV na, no?
Hands down,
EV ka na.
Hands down talaga. It's a, you have to, if you're there already, it's I wouldn't say life-changing, pero for sure, it's lifestyle-changing. Kasi, yeah, it's it's less expensive. Tapos,
Easier to maintain eh.
yeah, nagtataka ako.
Nagpa-PMS na ba kayo?
Wala pa, sabi ng 10,000 daw.
Yung
PMS na to, first
10,000
PMS.
kilometers?
Oo, yung first PMS niya. So, I don't know. Like,
1/4 ka pala?
oh, like, siguro, a year
Or 1
pa.
year ba? 10,000 or 1 year?
Hindi, sabi niya 10,000. Walang year. So, sabi niya, sir, basta 10,000 ka na. Yun, saka mo pa PMS.
Kahit na 4 years ko mo ma-reach
Oo,
yung 10,000.
basta sabi niya, 10,000 lang.
Grabe. Magkano naman yan? Magkano ang...
Ang sinabi sa akin, ano lang daw eh. O, ano lang eh. So, kailangan check mo lang yung fluids from time to time. Yung,
Ano ba fluids ito? Bukod sa wiper, ano niya?
I think meron sa...
Differential.
Oo, yun, may ganun.
Okay.
Tapos, yun lang. Yun lang naman. Sabi niya may lalabas naman dito sa screen and everything, pero
Wala naman.
wala.
Any errors or issues na nag-imitaw or anything na ano?
No. I haven't experienced any,
Glitches or...
maybe the only glitches is kapag under 15% na siya, under 20%, there's some weird noises already. Parang ganun. Di ko lang, siguro motor, I'm not sure where, pero there's a weird noises, parang kinakabahan ka na, oh no, is it, parang feeling ko na, ano ba yan, naghahanap ba ng energy yung battery or something. It's kind of weird. Kaya ako, not unless na I was, para adventurous. Katulad ng mga ginawa ko nga ng Pampanga. Siyempre, pawis na pawis ako noon. Pinatay ko pa aircon.
Wait, nagpapanga kayo, Sir Paul? Off aircon?
Nung
All the way?
Nung nung malapit na.
I'm sure.
Mga less than 10K. Mga less than 10K.
Left?
Ano na lang, talagang pinatay ko na. Kasi talagang,
Medyo alanganin.
Alanganin na talaga ako.
Magtutulak ka.
Basta yung wala na ako sa NLEX, tapos dito na ako sa Mindanao. Nakapatay na, tapos sabay hindi na nga niya pinapakita yung remaining range mo, percentage na lang.
Wala na.
Percentage na lang, so parang, oh no, sabi ng
Medyo
year.
delikado to
Parang, tapos ang sinabi pa naman, pag walang kailangan hindi pwede ito.
Ito?
Kailangan hindi pwede, kailangan yung magli-lift. At least yung sabi ng manual, yung bawal nga ito. So that's pero ako kasi I try to I like to have fun eh. I like to
explore.
sabi ko, well, it'll be funny. Kaya yung wife ko naiinis sa akin, what, it'll be funny, you get stuck in.
Pero
it's a nice kwento.
Question lang, Sir Paul, si wife nyo, hindi ba siya nagtaka nung una or nagalit or bakit ito?
No.
In my case, nung kinuha ko yung surprise yun.
Okay.
Surprise. Gulat na lang siya na kinuha nga yung auto. Tapos, syempre, initial reaction niya was, pagsakay, syempre, nasanay sa malaki na big car.
Yeah.
Nung pagsakay sa VF3, maliit. Medyo bakit ito kinuha mo? Kumbaga, puro ganon. And then, later on, nakwento ko nga na it's more of yung natitipid ko in the long run.
Lalo na ikaw shoot daily eh.
Almost daily ang shoot. So, explain ko na I'm more of the tipid and it proved its point naman after a year na malaki na yung natipid eh. Almost 100,000 siguro in terms of gasoline na expenses. Ngayon, gusto niya yung car na naintindihan niya na yung purpose.
Yeah,
So,
for sure.
kayo, I think, ang laki na rin ng natipid niya.
Ako siguro, if I was spending, kasi before, I was spending siguro, 12K per month
For both cars na yan.
For just one car. Mga 12K.
Si
Geely.
Yun ba daily nyo?
Before yung...
Hindi yung Jazz.
Hindi, yung Jazz na benta ko na. Pero,
okay.
daily ko noon was the Geely tsaka yung Empaw. So,
may Empaw nga pala guys si Sir Paul.
may Empaw.
Ganda yun, kulay green.
May GAC Empaw and then yung Geely. Tapos, so minahalo-halo ko lang yun. So, mga ganun nga, mga 10 to 12,000. So, if this is turning to 5 months na, so 50,000 na rin yun. So, bawasan mo na lang yun, sa kuryente, so 45,000. So, parang parehas lang kami. Parehas lang kami ni Paul na ganun. Na, yeah, so...
Malaking savings eh.
Yeah, you hardly feel it. You barely feel it. Siguro mas malaki pa yung gastos mo na kinain mo nung ano,
Kumain ka sa restaurant.
kumain ka sa restaurant. Mas
Ah,
malaki pag
totoo.
mas malaki pag gastos mo doon. Tapos sabay it's
Iba, no?
iba talaga kapag if you buy a car na there's yung parang not just you love yung parang you sort of look forward or
You enjoy using din.
you enjoy using it na parang ganun Tapos the best thing pa nga is you barely pay anything for fuel and everything. Tapos sabay yan yung katulad nung sa'yo, kita mo naman, alam na lang ko itsura niya, no? Ganyan at least yun, you get to... Ako, madami ang plan dito, for
So,
sure.
marami rin naka-modify na or naka-accessorize na.
Yeah, ako kasi, so, parang ay inano ko na yung sarili ko na unofficial na parang, ano na to, parang, hindi naman mascot, parang representative ng group namin. So, I try to keep it stock para hindi para pag check ng mga tao na ayan talaga yung tsura niya, hindi ko napapalitan. Tsaka ako, I like my cars na stock. I rarely modify it.
Mga naka-best tune pony, ano yung mga pinapalitan nila karamihan?
Usually yung hubcap, kasi wala naman siyang mag. Yung hubcap.
Ilang ulit inch ng...
12 inch lang yung gulong niya. Tapos, mostly sa interior Alam ba, merong isang sa TikToker ang ginawa niya, may
Papakita ko sa inyo. Sige, habang nag-explain Sir Paul.
Sa iba, so for example ito, yung una kong upgrade is itong mga takip. Yan. So ito yung original niya.
Para dito talaga yan?
Yan. Kita niyo parang Lego.
Parang Lego.
Lego talaga siya. Tapos sabay yung
So, pwede mo ikabit yung Lego dyan?
Yun talaga yung use niya. So, parang siya Lego.
Galing.
Tapos, ayan, may
kids ka pala, pwede sila maglaro dito.
Yeah, exactly. Tapos sabay, so lalagyan ko ng, ayan, yung takip na dito. Tapos, yan, and then,
Eto, ano to, Sir Paul?
lagyan ng phone. Lagyan ng phone. Ayan, ganyan yung itsura niya.
Galing.
Ayan, so, ganyan yung itsura niya. So, yung iba naglalagay dito. Ako naman dito.
Ano naman nilalagay dito, usually?
Minsan yung, ayun din, phone. Nalagay ng phone doon. Kasi,
kaysa dito.
kasi ito, wala siyang screen. So, wala kang Android Auto. So, dito ka.
Ito Android talaga.
Ang advantage dito kasi flat.
Tama.
So, ayan So, halap ka lang ng dumidikit. And then, ayan, dyan na yung kagad. Tapos may cup holder ka dito. And then, ayan, malakas naman yung aircon.
Guys, ang lamig din ng aircon niya. Malamig. Ito, window niya, no?
Itong
so,
window
sa gitna rin pala yung window niya. So,
yung window controls niya.
Okay, so, nandito rin pala sa gitna. Tapos ang shift lever niya, ito, shift knob.
Shift knob niya.
Wheel type siya.
Yep.
Ayan. Malamig yung aircon, guys. Naka 1 lang to, no?
One lang yan.
Ang lamig.
Tapos dito ito yung
parang joystick. Ano ba to?
so parang controller siya ng sa Nintendo. Di ba? Up, down.
Ba't nga pala
Ayan,
ganyan siya?
up, down, left, right, B, B.
Oo nga, no?
Tapos yan, so meron siyang radio, ito yung mga source niya, AM, FM, then meron din siyang Bluetooth, yan.
Oo nga, no? Guys,
so okay ka na pag may Bluetooth.
Kamusta yung sounds naman?
Ayun lang, it's crap. Lata talaga siya. Lata talaga siya.
Ayun, guys, nadidinig niyo. Medyo no? Medyo matining siya.
Lata talaga siya.
Lata.
Yeah. Lata for sure.
Ito naman, nagdagdag ka ng dashcam.
Nagdagdag ako ng dashcam. So, actually, ito,
ganda guys.
may din siya may nakaka-minus din siya ng power.
Lagay ba ito or harap?
Yung ginawa ko ditong setup is may PIP. So sa harapan, so ito yung sa likod.
Malaki yung lalikod.
Para may review camera din ako kasi ang liit nito
Oo nga, no?
Tapos meron naman ako sa front.
Oo nga, no?
Wala lang. Pwede mo naman yung set, depende naman yung sa dashcam mo. Tapos, ito yung steering wheel niya. Ayan, matigas.
Solid.
Plastic talaga. Pero yung plastic niya, maganda yung quality niya talaga.
Turn signals niya.
Tapos you have yung instrument cluster mo doon, you have your charge, you have your sayang nga lang wala siyang cruise control, pero kung may cruise control saya
Guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung accelerator niya tsaka yung brake pedal
niya.
Ano mo naman yan?
Parang ano din, laro yan. May,
Parang ano, ayun pause button.
Pause button, tsaka
Move forward.
move forward button.
Sir Paul, itong
Tapos yung leg
mating
room
mo.
mo. Ay, kasama na to.
Stock ba to? Or?
Kasama na yan. Actually, pinagawa yan, sabi ng Best Tune Philippines, sila nagpagawa niyan.
Sinadya dito?
Oo, so kasama na yun when you buy it. Yan. Tapos
So guys, tingnan yung legroom naman ni Sir Paul.
ayan oh.
Tapos merong may pwede ba umpong dalawa?
Oo,
Yes, dalawa.
pwede pa sa likod.
So same kay Sir Paul, dami ng gamit
Kasi nga siya yun, yung anak ko, yung 18-year-old ko, tsaka yung 10-year-old ko.
Wow.
Kasi sila dyan.
Malaki din.
Kahit ako, kasya ako dyan eh. I wouldn't want to stay there
For a long time.
for a long time. Tapos,
Ito guys, manual handbrake
you have
siya,
your manual handbrake.
which I think is an option na gusto ng iba. Iba ayaw kasi ng EPB eh.
Oh, yeah.
Ako mas prefer ko yung manual eh.
Yeah.
Para at may control ka.
Siguro ito, ayan lang yung
Ano
side
ba yung mga
mirror.
quirks nyo dito?
Well, mostly yung so maliting gulong niya. So 12 inch nga lang. So you can feel the road na. For example, let's say yung asfalto na bago pa lang. So grippy yun. O let's say kung malas mo yung mga parang naapakan ng mga malalaking truck na mga ganon. Mararamdaman mo yun parang wow.
Sumasabay yung
sumasabay. For example, doon sa NLEX yun eh. I was traveling mga 90, tapos biglang may ganun. Kaya nararamdaman ko talaga na, where are you going?
May wobble.
Nararamdaman mo talaga. So, very sticky. Tapos, yung mararamdaman mo yung road. Tapos, yun nga, kapag may sudden bump, na let's say, takbo mo 80, tapos biglang may lubak, you feel it talaga. You like, parang out of body. Sabi nga ng wife ko, parang out of body experience.
Nabuwal
Pag ganun. Pero, yun nga, basta nasanay ka na, usually kasi routine na siya. Alam mo na kung saan yung lubak, or kung bagong lugar naman, you try to be careful.
Slower than usual.
Kasi ang tendency ko dito, actually para ako nag-one pedal driving dito eh. Kasi apak, tapos angat, kasi ang lakas nga ng region niya, di ba? Ang lakas yung region niya eh. So,
Iba yung region na to.
so apak, angat, bira nga mag-brake eh. Bira nga mag-brake kasi you can do it na eh.
Tatagal ang na to, brake pads ito.
Tapos, yun, yeah. I haven't had any...
Issues or concerns dito.
No, it's...
Question Sir Paul, wala ba sa group nyo, sa Best Tune Pony group, na nagpalit ng tires or mags?
Meron na. May mga nagbumod na mostly tires, tapos...
Pero sa mags, stock pa din.
Yeah, puro mostly stock.
Or alanganin kasi yung 12 inch no?
Yeah, may nag-experiment, pero hindi ko pa nakikita na yung, mostly hubcap pa lang eh. Wala pa nakita.
Wala ba nag-go beyond ng 12? 13,
Wala.
14?
I don't think so. I think there was a...
Pero kaya? Kaya niya or hindi?
No. May nagpa-test, may nag-test na eh. Kahit yung tire size lang. I think there was I think 125 tong pinakamalaki, like 155 lang yung na-increase niya eh. So it was like I'm not sure yung parang 12. Basta maliit lang yung increase dun sa gulong. Sa tire, sa yung chunk nung tire dun. It's not a big difference.
Not a big difference.
Oh, so you can only technically just change the hubcap. I'm not sure. Tatarangin ko dapat. I do have a lot of plans maybe after a year. Yung parang ganyan. I'm just trying.
Enjoy mo muna yung stock.
In stock lang muna. Pero for sure, madami na akong plan doon sana. Sa China. Sa China kasi siya, dahil siyang pangalan eh. Yung una, Xiaoma. Xiaoma, hindi Xiaomi. Xiaoma.
Guys, napakita ko lang kasi kanina ko pa tinitignan to. Bakit may Xiaoma
ito, may Xiaoma.
Xiaoma.
Alam mo, weird ng pangalan.
Akala ko Xiaomi kanina.
Ang pangalan niya,
Xiaoma.
ano ba siya? Xiaoma. Xiaomi in the Mali. Xiaoma. Ayun, Xiaoma.
Oo nga, no? Xiaoma nga.
Xiaoma Pony. Siya. Madami siya. Ang
So,
weird
hindi siya
eh.
best tune sa
Meron ba?
China?
Merong best tune doon. Pero, I think yung pen name niya talaga is Xiaoma.
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 Pero yung model name niya, Pony rin doon.
Hindi. Iba-iba eh. Ang weirdo eh. Bale, I think sa Southeast Asia is Pony. Pero, if you really want, yung big accessories, use Xiaoma. Use
Hindi ko alam,
Xiaoma.
Sir Paul, kung napanood niyo yung video sa Amerika.
Oh, yeah. Yung sa Supercar Blondie. Yeah.
Hindi, may isang girl eh.
Meron pa parang inikot-ikot niya.
Hindi
Oh.
na lang, may ewan ko, nagkaroon ng best tune pony sa Amerika.
Yun nag-iisa doon.
Nag-iisang pink
Yung
yun
pink, yung
Tapos,
pink.
tinanong niya yung mga tao, pinahula niya kung magkano daw to.
Yun. It was like,
Hindi, walang makahula kasi lahat puro
$20,000. Yeah.
So, napanood niya na pala yun.
It was a proud moment.
Nakakatawa guys, kasi merong best tune pony na nakarating na sa
The US.
US. Tapos yun, tinanong niya kung magkano sa mga tinanong sa mga bystanders. Walang makahula. So, ang question ko is, sa tingin niyo ba dadami ang Chinese EV sa US?
I don't think so kasi madaming safety regulations sa siguro madaming I think EV wise tapos pero kapag mga ganito sa US I don't think so kasi medyo
Sa highway, no?
maano sila sa kasi una yung katulad ng sinabi nagre-review yung highway speeds nila like 70
At least
70
minimum.
miles so it's about 110. I wouldn't drive this 110. I mean I tried pero
Hindi advisable.
in a safe in a parang safety like for example bigla magbe-brake this is not the I don't want to be here. Ganun. Kasi wala you can't hindi mo matatalo physics it's physics di ba? So I wouldn't do that. So I doubt it na sa US. I did see this sa Vietnam, sa Aswan. Nandun tayo sa expressway na nakita ko parang may pony.
Hindi ko nakita.
Sabi ko, good luck na lang. Daming binpas.
Lumigan.
Lumigan. Wala masyadong laban doon. Parang sa home court ka nun eh.
Tama. So 5 months nyo, Sir Paul. How's your experience overall pinaka-overall?
I love it.
In a nutshell.
I love it. I love seeing it in my garage. Tapos, me and my wife, this is like the main choice kapag lalabas kami. Tapos...
How about your kids? Ito rin ba?
Siguro yung daughter ko lang. Kasi syempre, she wants the big car. She wants the cool car. Tapos...
This is a cool car.
Yeah, I think yung one thing lang dito kasi sobrang light yung steering. So, yung beginner kong anak, she has trouble parang...
Is she driving?
She just recently got her license.
Okay.
Tapos, so she drives our Cool Ray. So she prefers that kasi parang predictable yung steering. Ito kasi unpredictable eh. Hindi naman predictable pero you have to be really experienced na nasa direction na yung gulong mo eh. Pero if you are experienced like maybe a year or two na alam mo na yun.
Madali na tao.
Kailangan niya lang yung practice. Tsaka syempre, hindi niya trip eh. Hindi niya trip eh. Siguro sa ibang kulay or something. Pero sinasabihan ko na uy, para naman makatipid din ako. Diba? Yeah.
Pero na-drive na ba niya ta?
Oo, na-drive niya na naman to. Na-drive niya na to.
That's good.
Yeah. Inaantay niya nga na may lend out ako ng VF3 eh.
Ayan. Di dalawa na EV niya sa bahay.
Mag-uunahan kami nun, ganun. Kapag ganun.
So far, Sir Paul, buti naman, mukhang very happy kayo dito sa Best Tune po
absolutely,
ninyo. So,
really happy.
And I hope din na lumaki din yung community ng Best Tune. Kasi,
Yeah.
I like seeing EV cars. Kasi ako, on a daily basis, seeing an EV on the road, na, yung mga ganito, yung mga mini EVs, nakakatuwa eh.
Yeah.
It's a growing trend din siya.
Yeah, parang ka na eh, part of a movement ka na eh.
Right.
Yeah, and you can at least yung mga like-minded nga, and siyempre yung I think yung parehas tayo kasi siyempre we like something new, want something interesting, we don't want the dull stuff eh.
Parang toys lang to guys, na cool siya eh. Very, very nice eh.
You just at least you make your day interesting.
Right.
Diba? Not your daily thing na hindi lang, especially if you like driving and then you have something na katulad ng sa akin ito.
Very interesting to eh.
Yeah,
It's an interesting
I wouldn't say there's a lot of personality nga kasi. So sometimes nga kahit malayo, it's kinda minsan ba may nagbubully sa akin na parang sasabihin ko, you think this is my only car? Parang give me 5 minutes. Babalik ka kita. Pero on the flip side naman, yun, it's a
very cool car.
It's a very funny car. Parang bababa ka tapos sabay makikita nila yung
Yung nagdadrive.
nagdadrive na Well, pag ganun, every day naman. I think it's the same naman sa VF3. I think ang advantage ng VF3 naman is, I think the adults can swallow it more than this. Kasi you have to
have guts.
you have to have guts for sure. You have to have guts to be driving this. You have to be either you like the whole cuteness of it and everything, or you gotta be like me na parang parang yeah, drive that. It's funny. It has a lot of personality, and it's just fun. It's just
It shows eh. Ang ganda yung interior wise niya, I think the fit and finish niya. Like you said, hard plastics, pero gets the job done.
yeah.
Matibay eh.
Matibay.
Matibay naman siya.
Yeah.
Tapos may ka pa dito, parang armrest ka pa dito.
Yeah.
So overall, okay naman si Bestune.
Yeah. It's great.
I think the only downside lang, I guess, sa nakita ko lang dito, would be yun nga, it's a GBT.
Yeah, okay.
I think yun lang. Can you explain that, Sir Paul? Paano ang charging mo?
So, the thing with the GBT kasi, it's a Chinese standard. So, the thing with the Philippines naman is we adapted. So, this has GBT, Chinese standard. And then, ang pinupush ng Philippine government is CCS2 or Type 2. And then, so, hindi katulad nung let's say BYD, madaming BYD, mga sila Line 6. So, makaka-charge sila pretty much everywhere. Anywhere. Ito, well, you can't. So, ang kailangan, mostly sa bahay. Pero the great thing is, I think AC Mobility has done a really good job na. Ang ginawa nila is they're providing an extra connector. Basta i-check it dun sa app.
Extra connector.
So, di ba kapag mag-charge ka, may isang kable sa Evro app, tapos parami na yung kable na yun na meron GBT. So when you
meron ba?
mas madami na ngayon. Hindi katulad like a few months ago. So they
adapted din pala.
They definitely adapted. So there's a lot more. And also speaking of charging, well, this takes a long time to charge.
How long do you charge this? From 20%?
Let's say if you need, I think you get like for an hour, siguro you get like 10 to 15 for an hour.
An hour?
Yeah, it's really slow. Kasi officially, ang charging nito on
3 kilowatts lang mas or
less than. I think mga 2 lang. 2 lang. 2.5 yung pinakamalaki kong na.
Take time talaga.
Yeah, so it's about 6 to 8 hours from 0 to 100. So, that is a long time.
Medyo matagal.
It's a long time. Typically, so, since ayoko naman din under 20%, ang pinakamabilis ko was 4 hours. That was
4 hours.
That was on a friend's house. Tapos meron siyang, may Tesla kasi siya, tapos meron pa siyang BYD. So maganda talaga yung infrastructure ng pinagawa niya. And then,
may GBT yung
meron siyang GBT cord. So pinatry ko, yun, 4 hours lang.
So, mas siya? Siguro 3 kilowatts siguro.
Oo, yun. Kumbaga, yun yung pinaka fastest niya. So,
may fast charging ba ang GBT?
Wala.
So, standard talaga siya?
Wala talaga. There is a doon sa mga Chinese specs na ko. So, nag-increase siya from 170 to about 210. And then,
210 kilometers?
210 na. And then, meron na siyang, hindi siya fast charging, pero at least yung range na laki. Tapos type 2 siya. Pero wala siyang DC.
Parang VF3 na pala, no? 210.
Parang ganun, oo. Pero sa China lang yun. Tapos,
sa itsura niya, may nagbago?
Wala. Pero yun yung charging na nagbago.
Same pa, okay.
Kaya nga may nagtanong sa akin na, yan na ba yung bago? No. This is not yung 22.
New version niya.
Yeah.
Kamusta sa firmware naman?
Wala.
Wala.
Wala. There's nothing to program din eh. There's nothing to, I mean, it's a USB cord. Pero there's no...
For the firmware, wala palang ina-update dito sa Bestune.
Wala talaga. This is a very bare bones, no frills, and very, very bare bones talaga siya. So, yun nga, wala kang Android Auto, you have to use Bluetooth. Although, makita mo dun sa review sa US, yun meron.
Parang may nakita nga ako.
Pero this one, yung currently ng Special Philippines is wala siyang I hope so in the
I hope
future. Meron kasi yung susunod, which is yung offer nila na DFSK candy.
Candy,
Yun. Yun.
Magkano yung DFSK Candy pala?
I think it was like 688.
Oh, 200,000 difference, no?
Yeah. For if cash, 588 or I don't know, 599 ba kapag cash. So, yun nga dito is it's getting more competitive, and then you just need to wait for the best deal you can. If you can
out of
haggle.
nowhere, bigla na lang lumalabas yung mga best deals,
You have to be ganun kailangan, may 100,000 discount sila na na you don't have to buy cash, na may mga times na ganun na 488 talaga. So there was one time na ganun na kahit nang bayad ng bangko 488 talaga, yung mga Mia's time yun. Hindi siya 588, 488 talaga siya.
Wow, laki ng discount talaga.
So they had like, so yun yung mga bumili nun, yun.
I'm sure guys, abangan nyo lang yung mga promos nila kasi
that's the way to do it wait for
pero
the
dapat, kung gano'n, dapat beforehand, decided na talaga kayo.
Yeah.
Para just in case na may lumabas na promo or any brand na maglalabas ng
ready na kayo.
At least kuha kagad.
Yeah, ready na kayo. And then guys, kaya nga yung channel ko, Test Drive PH, kasi I think that's the best way for you to really know the car, na whether or not
guys,
it's really for you.
Panoorin niyo yung YouTube ni Sir. Diyan ako nanonood bago pag may gusto kang makita mga bagong auto, nire-review na kagad.
Yun yung advantage. Yun talaga the way for you to know na if that car is really for you. Kasi you don't want to buy, you don't want to, that's yung kotse kasi is the second biggest
purchase
nung yun nga, Pilipino. Tapos sabay, I mean, you need to know, even if you don't like cars, if you're just, parang katulad lang nito na pang pasok mo lang and everything. Pero mas maganda nga iti-testing mo para you can really know whether or not that car is for you.
Tama.
Yeah, i-require yun. And then yung mag-abang ka na talaga. Mag-haggle ka, everything to
get all the freebies.
Get all the freebies and everything. Tapos, you do your research, you ask around, you join yung mga Facebook group, may mga group chat din. Tapos, you do your research, you do your asking around. Especially if you're buying, a Chinese car, a Vietnamese car, yung talaga not the typical one. Ako, I have 2 Chinese cars and I have, 3 pala. I have 3 Chinese cars. So,
Geely,
GAC, tsaka Bestune. Now, hindi naman ako, I'm not Chinese or anything. Hindi naman din anti-Filipino and everything. Pero kasi, katulad nung start ko yung Cool Ray, totally different brand and everything.
Which one's your first Chinese car? Cool Ray
Geely,
or
yung Cool Ray,
okay.
Yung Cool Ray muna. So that was, magpa 5 years old na siya. 5 years old,
Pandemic pala yun, no?
Oh, pandemic. So, I have 0 issues with it. The only issue I had was my daughter crashed it. Yun lang.
Total?
Di naman. Sa lang, namatras lang siya. Pero mechanically and everything.
Wala kang bunod?
Wala
nasira or anything?
Wala. I didn't siyempre, kapag bago, it's a bit of risk. Tapos,
first yun,
first yun.
First bug. Yun,
tapos sabay, pero, ako kasi, not only do I want to make it fun, I just really like the value that you get from it. And I knew naman na, when I did my research doon na parang, wait a minute, Geely is China-wise, we didn't see it before, pero you could tell na they own Volvo, ganon. And then, halimbawa sa GAC naman, I love the car, yung M-Power, really love that from.
Yun din guys, yung M-Power.
I love that car, actually, natanong wife ko, which one do you like best? To, o yung M-Power? Sabi, kind of even
talaga?
If you wanna have like,
yung M-Power and best yun?
Yeah, pretty much, that's, I love them very equally talaga. Equally talaga. Kasi, this is, I like, parang making people laugh. I really, parang, I like, parang smiling or just saying hello. Minsan may magdadan, kakaway ka na lang. Kasi I know they find it, oh my God, what is that? It's so it's cute and everything. Parang, that's why part of it. Ganun din sa Cool Ray. So,
same
na parang I'm fine na I was gonna risk it. Tapos si Empaw naman, siguro yun nung magastos kasi yun.
Yung Empaw.
Magastos si Empaw kasi malakas siya
Magastos sa gasolina or
sa gasolina, may litin tangke niya, tapos
maya
yun, kaya ako nainis pag magpapagas ako doon kasi sabi ko,
ito na naman.
Again,
Ay,
malit na nga yung tangke,
malakas pa.
that's my douchebag car eh.
Ito nga.
Kasi maingay siya, di ba? Tapos
May valve ano yun, di ba? Sa exhaust.
may exhaust siya.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like may douchebag car.
So, nagiging Sunday car na lang siya.
yung Empaw, panda Sunday car na lang. Friday
Parang gimmick siguro, I guess.
pag Friday, or if I just wanna have a blast talaga with it. Tapos if I just wanna play loud music in my ganun. I do the same thing here. It's just that it doesn't handle as well. So, pero yun lang yung ko. So, for anyone like for looking into VinFast or tong Pony or EV in general, syempre it takes a little bit of parang bravery for it. Pero
early adopters.
Pero it's not that bad. It's not 100% risk. And the risk is, what do you get pa? Well, you save a lot of money. You have an interesting car that you can either flaunt or really just love, buy on your own. And it's it's 2026. There's so much, lalo na ngayon siguro this year there's gonna be new models again. Kung nakita mo yung mga drawing lang ng VinFast,
ang dami rin.
Yung bagong 7-seater nila na yung nakita nga natin doon, di ba? Limo green, parang sabi ko. Ayun nga, nandito na. Tapos makita mo doon. I mean, guys, if you've seen the VF7 in the flesh, you can see how curvy it is. Parang, bigla ka magpatatanong na, what machine are you using to curve that, di ba?
Metal na.
That is, yung pag-fold niya, that is just, it is, sabi ko, it's like poetry. Parang,
in motion.
curves. How did you do that for a company like that?
New brand.
For a new brand. How? Firmware stuff, guys, Ito, walang firmware updates to. The other Japanese brand, even yung Empaw ko, walang firmware yun. Kahit na alam mo na meron naman. Pero the local brands or the distributors, they're not willing to do that. Pero VinFast, you can get it. Siguro, kukunti na lang niya, on the fly, sa bahay na lang, you can do that. I mean, you could, it was, hindi mo, it's not something that you thought that could happen, pero,
it's possible.
It's possible eh. Tsaka yung ginagawa nila, hindi katulad ng iba, talaga na, yun nga, firmware pa lang, and then, if you have, yun nga, kaya ma-importante yung community, kasi the community can push, can ask. Tapos if the brand actually listens. Tama. I think that's one of the biggest differences with VinFast, kasi you got Toti and you got you're buti na dito sa Paul when creating content. There's more nakikinig yung pag ka-meeting natin or ka-upo lang natin mga VinFast people. They're not just marketing on you, they're
listening.
They're really listening tapos ang bilis nila gumalaw. Pero hindi ko tulad ng cars like ng brands like VinFast na, we're gonna do that, and then ito may bago kaming idea ulit, tapos it doesn't,
mayat-maya
mayat-maya may bag. Meron sila, ang bilis nila gumalaw.
Nakakatuwa naman sa VinFast, guys. Tuloy-tuloy yung nila, mga program sila.
Kaya that's the one thing kaya nga sabi ko sa buti na hindi ko nakita, kundi if I was gonna buy,
anong kulay ang kukunin mo sa
yellow
VF3?
for sure.
Yellow.
Hands down yellow.
May babaguhin ka ba, Sir Paul?
Bag doon?
Feel ko, ikaw, gagawin mo siguro doon, although iba, hubcaps din, nagpapalit.
Ako iyanuin ko yung, gusto ko parang anime,
character.
Parang,
Pikachu, mga ganun.
Pikachu, or parang,
yung mga dilaw na character.
Mga, lalagyan ko ng Hatsune Miku,
Okay.
yung mga ganun.
Mga decals
mga decals, parang siyang
parang, iba, yung may tenga.
Yeah,
Ito meron, di ba?
Oo, nung
Nung
Christmas. Nung
Nakita
Christmas.
ko yan eh.
Oo, nung Christmas meron to eh.
Nakita ko nga to eh.
We're new EV owners since Paul has a VinFast and this new experience with the EV. Siyempre you have players like BYD, you have players like MG, you have players like Bestune. Nakita naman natin pumunta tayong Vietnam. Kita mo yung difference nung, for example, yung even in graphic design, yung marketing materials ng VinFast is totally different from the norm. They call up everything from lifestyle influencers, from sa automotive. So definitely hindi sila traditional.
Ibang approach eh.
Yeah, definitely. It's very refreshing and it's kind of unique, to be honest. Kaya nung dumating sila dito, nag-start pa lang doon sa marketing pala, sa marketing materials parang sabi ko, whoa, okay, this is not a traditional media. And then I think even the biggest thing is yung not just the size of the plants, pero the whole country yung how progressive they are, how
unified no?
They're unified sila sa
yung buong Vietnam
for VinFast for the Vin Group so yung pagtangkilik nila is sometimes it's even mainggit ka pa kasi in a way I think just recently like 2 years from now or 2 years ago mas ahead tayo pero for this year ahead na sila
nakalamang na
nakalamang na sila. I mean may kotse sila di ba? And look at your vehicle, everybody loves it and you have fans already tapos for such a young company. And I remember the first thing that I drove was the EVF5. The first thing that I sort of noticed was yung lalo na exterior build quality niya. It was the same kasi kung kita nyo how curvy yung VF5. Yung panel gaps niya, I could barely see na yung parang kasi kapag bago, 'di ba, lalaki ng panel cap. Di ba? Yun, wala. Sobrang pino na, yun nga, Pininfarina design pa siya. Tapos yung pagsakay ko pa sa loob, sabi ko, kasi bago ko sabihan na i-try mo tong VF5. Tapos I was really, really skeptical Pero nagulat na lang ako yung solid build quality niya was for a new company, for a baby company. I mean, we all know na Vin Group has been for about 30 years yung before pa, pero when in terms dun sa cars of VF5, it's amazing that how they were able to do that for such a kaya I was really, the driving okay, it's not a Honda. It's not a you're not really buying it for that, pero syempre, one of the great examples is yung VF3 mo kasi everybody loves it and sabi ko nga buti na lang hindi ko na drive yung VF3 before ito I'll be honest, kasi sabi ko strip ko yun trip ko din yun kasi syempre mas maluwag siya tapos kita mo yan yung forma nung sayo tapos malaking difference din na it makes a big difference na madaming may gusto kasi you have a community na. I even lead yung Bestune group pero we have trouble sort of meeting up kasi there's not a whole lot of us.
How many members ba
Nasa over 100 pero kalat-kalat.
Okay.
So basically siguro alam ba sa area ko sa QC there's like maybe 3 of us. Tapos syempre hindi naman lahat, you cannot expect them naman to be all active, di ba? Pero at least yung group, malaking bagay kasi na meron kang grupo may community ka na kasi
may nadadamayan ka.
Tapos meron kang, tips, tapos you talk about sort of tips dun sa kotse, you sort of talk about the problems that you have with the dealership and stuff like, especially for such a new vehicle na talagang may mga growing pains talaga yan. So Pero kung meron kang kasama, tapos makikita ng brand na
Tama.
meron kong ang laking difference nun. And, if you combine yung parang way of thinking ni Toti, and, si Toti nga pala is yung parang, CEO ng
VinFast Southeast Asia?
Southeast Asia, yeah.
Not just the Philippines yan.
Yeah.
So,
So you have to remember, guys, na that guy, like, I don't know, 20, 30 years, nandun siya sa Honda, I think pretty much every brand
lahat ng brand din.
Yeah. Tapos,
BYD na.
No, BYD. Tapos sabay, he went out of, retired na siya. Pero he went,
Golf na nga daw siya.
he went out of, he went back to work kasi he had this really unique opportunity na probably, parang siguro kay Toti, feeling ko, VinFast has given him all the, parang, freedom to really think of ideas.
Right.
And I think that's the best thing kapag sa VinFast So, ayun. So, yeah, ako, honestly, sabi ko nga, buti na lang hindi ko na-drive yung VF3 before to. Or
Hindi best yun ang dala natin.
Yeah.
Sir Paul,
Ang haba.
maraming salamat.
Ang haba.
Thank you so much. Yan. So guys, kakaiba to. So, yung motor noise niya malakas din, no? Yung VF3 nandito. Wow. Nakakatuwa,
Hindi siya, wala siyang yung creep, wala siyang So pag
pero may mode siyang ganun. Or wala talaga.
Wala talaga. This is
Tayo ngayon sa Ortigas, kasama natin si Sir Paul.
hello.
So,
Hello.
ikwento niya yung buhay with the best tune Paul.
Yeah.
Sir Paul is from Test Drive PH. If you guys wanna watch his videos, napakadami niyang videos, brand new cars, pati yung mga new reviews. Check his channel out kasi sobrang dami.
Yes.
And lagi ko pinapanood yung mga videos ni Sir Paul.
Thank you,
Si Sir
Paul.
Paul nga pala guys, yung kasama natin sa Vietnam, nung sa VinFast tour natin.
Yep.
Si Sir Paul ang natin kasama.
Hello.
So ito guys, ang kanyang best tune po.
So guys, again, this is Paul from Test Drive PX. If you want to watch other, brand new cars reviews, just visit, search nyo lang sa YouTube or whenever sa Test Drive
Lalagay ko
PX.
yung YouTube link ni Sir.
Test Drive Philippines. And yeah, thank you so much kay Paul. And Paul din nga ako nga pala. So,
Paul 1, Paul 2.
Paul 2. So yeah, ayun, follow lang kayo guys for more EV contents, VinFast contents. I'll be having my own VinFast video very very soon. So
Abangan niyo yung VF3 land out review ni Sir.
yes.
Abangan natin.
Okay, thank you so much din kay Paul for having me on his today. So, yeah.
Thank you Sir. Thank you Sir Paul. Guys, so tapos na tayo dito. Si Sir Paul, mauuna na. Dala niya yung kanyang best tune pony. Guys, sa VF3. Cute eh. Grabe. Sir Paul, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Ingat. Solid guys. Sobrang cute ng best tune pony niya. Sobrang ganda, sobrang liit. Very comfortable dalhin. So guys, picture natin konti dito. Tapos